up so much faster than more. So much faster than more. Little girls run faster than more. Little girls grow up so much faster than more. So much faster than more. Little girls run faster than more.
The last car is out of sight. The season has been wrapped. The barbecuing happened. Trailer came from a absolute heat, broken axle, white and silver, to this little monstrosity that has developed. It's been an unbelievable year. It's been an unbelievable year of growth. The channel started with, I think, 2,500 subscribers. We are almost at 6,000. So we have doubled the channel this year. We are not only going to double the channel next year, but it's going to be a lot more than that. I've got a lot of plans, a lot of events. I believe we did 20 car shows this year. Next year it's going to be even crazier. I just want to huge shout out everybody that comes out to the shows, supports the channel, the boys that bought the barbecue. It's just been a crazy year. It took me all year to get MBRP on board, but MBRP has been fantastic to deal with. The exhaust has absolutely changed how I drive and enjoy the Camaro. I left the tips way out so everybody knew what I was rocking, and I must say I do actually like them. They look kind of just like a piece of jewelry that hangs out the back. ACS composites put the wing on the car this year. End of last year they did the canards. Hopefully next year there'll be a diffuser. We'll kind of see what's coming and going with them. But they're always amazing. Their products have been spectacular. I want to do a new rim setup for next year. I want to have a set of drag radials. I want to really focus on the trailer and get it sorted. I'm thinking some Texas speed. But this has all got to be a group effort, and I really appreciate everything everybody's done for me this year. It's made the hardships well worth it, and the highs just absolutely breathtaking. So thank you very much, everybody. Hope everybody has a fantastic winter. I might hit up a few more shows before the end of the year, and then the winter tires will go on, and we'll just kind of play it by day as to what goes on from there on forth. So thank you very much. Drive safe, take care, and behave as always.